Mr. Lars. You've already gotten some good
Why am
photos
I
here.
Yeah.
So I haven't gotten you on the vlog yet, behind the scenes. So Lars is a young, what, 22-year-old?
I'm 22, yeah.
So did you finish college?
I didn't finish. I dropped out and did my own thing.
Awesome. I love that. And he's from Germany and he's on this trip. And what is your thing, man? You told me right when I met you, I'm a food photographer.
Yeah.
So that's your main thing?
I was starting with social media with a travel account, and yeah, I always say I killed a lot of accounts because I built up with these accounts my food account.
Yeah.
And yeah, this food account was the only thing I made, and I started with photography, and yeah, then I thought about why I don't connect the food photography with my social media. Well, my photography with social media and doing food photography.
Yes.
And yeah.
Okay.
Here I am.
Heck yeah, here you are. So you're in Bali, and so your food account is
foodie.snacks.
Foodie.snacks. So check it out. He's a professional food photographer. Just an example of someone in university, you know, in the system, decided to do their own thing. That's what I'm always saying. Do you. So what got you the courage to actually drop out, like against all your parents, probably against all the other students? How did you do it?
It was probably my friend. He was calling me. I was in the application of physiotherapist.
Okay.
And he was calling me and said, are you really doing what you love?
Oh, nice. Shout out to that friend.
Yeah.
It takes good friends like that. You gotta ask your friends this, guys.
And it was such an emotional talk that, yeah, I was facing it and thought about 2 weeks about the possibilities of my life and what I should do. And I'm a creative person, and I couldn't be that creative in my physiotherapy.
Absolutely.
And yeah, then I just thought, why don't give it a try? And in these 2 weeks I started like doing a little photography. I bought a camera, and it was so fun. And yeah. So you just got into photography like at that moment, or you had already been kind of I was doing it like, why just don't start it and do it like a hobby kind of thing. And yeah, then I thought it makes me so happy to do it, and I can be so creative in that kind of thing. Yeah, why don't try to do it like your job?
Yeah, as your full-time thing.
Yeah.
Because we have social media, and it's possible to build a brand. Yeah. So how long after that talk that you realized you want to be a creative did you actually drop out?
Well, I think it was about a month.
Oh, really? A month? That's soon.
Yeah. That was really.
You got it in your mind, this idea, and you're like, I have to just start now.
I started with Instagram and all that stuff, and started with photography, and I couldn't concentrate on the physiotherapy anymore.
Yeah, exactly. Once you have that idea.
I was in the education, and I was sitting in the class, and I was like,
yeah.
I can't
this
do
is
it
not
anymore.
Me. You realize this is not me. This is not.
It was pretty quick.
Nice.
Yeah.
And so how are you, for people that are probably wondering now, okay, how is he making money? How do you have an Instagram page and make money from that? So tell people that don't know, like, how can you fund doing your own thing?
Well, or
did you save up from your job?
It was very difficult at the beginning. I was working 2 times in a job. Like the first thing was working in a company to earn my money and save up some money.
Yeah.
And yeah, after that I was working for my own job.
Okay.
And yeah, I saved up a lot of money and just started to traveling.
Okay.
So
what inspired? So you came to Bali first?
Yeah. No. Philippines.
You went to Philippines first. Yeah. So you saved up money from your job, and you were doing the Instagram, building your food page on the side.
Yeah. Well, I was already building it up, and putting it up for about 2 years.
Okay, on the side of your job.
Yeah.
Yes, this is what you have to do. Yes, on the side of your job, folks.
Yeah.
Okay. And did you start to make money from that page yet, or
no,
it was not making money? So how long did it take you from building the page to actually like making money from Instagram? Because that's what everyone wants to know.
From making money with Instagram?
Yeah.
I really didn't focus on monetizing my account, so at the moment I'm doing just a little money from Instagram, and it took me about 2 years to earn a little amount of money from Instagram.
And how do you make money on Instagram?
It's a lot of advertisement at the moment, so I'm doing promotions for companies, especially food companies.
Yep.
And
that would make sense on a food page. So getting shouting out and posting pictures of different food
videos,
companies' food.
Yeah.
Pictures and videos.
Yeah,
and then
all products, all related to food.
Yep.
Sure, yeah.
Basically shout outs, getting them exposure on your big page that you had built. They'll pay you $100, whatever amount, and you can keep doing those. Anyway, that's the Instagram method.
That's one kind, but it's just a little money. I think you have to reach a bigger goal. So I'm more focused on building my community and building a brand.
Yeah.
Instead of reaching that little money with advertisement.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have a savings. So as long as I don't need the money, I don't want to advertise and monetize my account.
Exactly.
Because it's growing so fast at the moment.
Yep. Build that brand for the long term. He did it. He dropped out of uni to do you. You gotta do you. That's the key. That's the moral of the story. And there's no better time in history to do it than right now because of the screen that you're looking at right now. 2 months ago, you couldn't even speak to a person. You're that shy.
Yeah, but because my English, I thought my English so bad.
Ah, okay. I wasn't confident with it yet.
Completely just writing English.
Yeah.
And when English person came to me, I was like, fuck. Yeah, like really introverted. And,
wow.
Yeah, it changed in 1 to 2 months.
Wow. So how did you find yourself to get here? Like how did you meet Jabril and stuff?
Well, it's all about my friend. I'm really connected to my friend, and he was doing a lot with me. Like we tried to work together with e-commerce, and I was doing a lot with content, and he was doing the more business kind of stuff of the e-commerce. And yeah, then I realized that this is exactly the same thing as the thing with my dad. I did something he liked doing. Yeah. And I was like, not you? Nah, fuck. I really want to do really create something.
Yeah. Exactly.
I'm a creator, and I'm not like doing e-commerce and that stuff.
Yes. I see this all the time. Someone realizes they're a creative person, just like me, and you got to do the creative thing, or else you're gonna have all this creative energy inside. You got to be able to express yourself. And so, anyways, now you're here in Bali.
Yeah, and I really just said, you have always things that comes in front, like I have to do this and I have to do that, and I need to do this and I need to achieve that before I go. Yeah. And I really thought you have to set a time frame or a point in the future where you really do it, just do it, and keep start traveling.
Set a goal. Don't put it off. Like, oh, I need to make, you know, freaking $10,000, or I mean that would be a good amount to save.
You will never do it. You will never do it.
Yeah, I need to make 100,000, or I need to do this. Just you already know.
I was like,
do you?
I was like, I need to earn $1,000 or 1,000 euros per month, so I can keep traveling for a long time, a long period of time. And I thought, no, I have a saving. I can travel.
Just do it now.
At least 1 year, and what you achieve in a year of traveling, I will.
That's a huge point. He saved up money, and instead of like having a full-time online business, he just started now, and then he's gonna learn and build as he goes. Just off his savings, like enough to travel for like 6 months or a year. I see that a lot, and that's what I did. I saved up like 8K, came to Chiang Mai, went to the e-commerce conference, and then I figured it out there.
You will connect to so many people that will help you in your business, and well, I still don't earn that much money with my account, so
yeah, you gotta start somewhere.
Just start it.
Fuck yeah, just start it. Woo. Yo, thanks for watching that video till the end. If you liked it, I guarantee you're gonna like the hundreds of other videos that I have on this channel. So right now, I would like to ask you to click that big ass subscribe button right now. It's totally free. It's just like following me on Instagram. It's just gonna make it a little bit more likely that YouTube suggests my videos to you down the road. And if you get bored of my face in the future, you can always just stop clicking on my videos and they will stop showing up as often. So thanks for helping me get to 100K. I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll see you on the next video.